Hello everyone, today a quick video about how to get a very cool action on your action button, and namely that is to take what is on your screen and convert it to a to-do item in your favorite app like Reminders or Todoist. Now in order to get this working, you'll need the Shortcuts app and you'll need the ChatGPT app, which both need to be logged in. Okay, let's start in the Shortcuts app. And let's go to the top right corner and press the plus button. So we're starting our new shortcut. Let's start by naming it, create to do. Let's start by naming it, create to do. There we go. And then add our first action. The first action we're going to add is to take a screenshot. Take screenshot. The next action we're going to take is to extract text from image. Then we're going to add a text field. There we go. And we're going to add a piece of text I have prepared, which I will post a link to in the description of this video. Then press done. Then click underneath the last input and select text from image and press done again. Then look for the ChatGPT app and select Ask ChatGPT. Click the message, click text, and done. Then expand that one and select disable the show when run, because we don't want to see the to-do item in that way every time. Next up, we're gonna show a short notification. With the result. Let's remove that hello world here. With the result of Ask ChatGPT and press done. Let's edit it again. Let's go back. And then the last and final step is to add a reminder. Now in this case, I'm adding it in the Reminders app, but of course you can add it in any app that supports shortcuts like Todoist or anything. So now I'm going to click add new reminder. And for the text of the reminder, we're going to use again the Ask GPT output command. And that's it. Now, the only thing left is to go into settings and link our new shortcut to the action button. Now, if you've been there, let's go to the shortcut and select the create to do shortcut. And now all that's left is to test it. Now, the first time it will ask you for some confirmations. So I will show you how this works. When I press the action button, it will take a screenshot. Our shortcut is going to run and it's going to ask for several things. Now, sometimes it will ask to start a new chat in ChatGPT. Sometimes it will ask for these. Just always start a new chat and do always allow. And if it doesn't work, just keep trying, because sometimes the ChatGPT app is a little bit, well, broken. Now, if we go to reminders, that should be there. And there we go. There's a reminder to check the water reader for next week.